Okay. Show me.
Hi there guys, welcome back to the ToolCraft channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. And I've got an exciting video for you today. I'm gonna be giving away a bunch of HGLRC electronics. And this giveaway is in cooperation with HGLRC. They'll be sending out some of the prizes. Some of the prizes I'll be sending out, as you see them here. And so let's get right into it. What do you need to do to enter into this giveaway? You'll need to comment on this video down there, and that's it. You can like this video if you want to. You can dislike the video if you can share the video. I'd appreciate you sharing the video. Thank you very much in advance. You don't have to do anything other than comment down below in the comment section only once. You are free to use several accounts. Maybe your son, mother, wife, sister has an account. You are free to use any account at your disposal to comment down below. And so, what are you going to be winning, or what can you stand to win? I'll be doing 3 prizes. And HGLRC, you probably know HGLRC as a company that makes electronics for multi-rotors. They do other things as well, mostly multi-rotors. However, the prizes here aren't only useful for multi-rotors. If you fly airplanes, you'll find that some of the prizes here will definitely be nice. Actually, yeah, most of the prizes will actually also be nice for airplanes or multi-rotors. So, in no particular order, there'll be 3 prizes. And again, there's no real order in them, but let's say that the first prize will be this lot over here. 2 boxes, and well, this is actually such an elaborate set that not all components fit in these 2 boxes. So, for instance, the screws and some cabling are in this bag. So this here is prize number 1, and this is okay. So an HGLRC 4-in-1 60 amp, yeah, 60 amp, nothing to sniff at. 4-in-1 ESC. And let me show you that ESC. You also get decals, as you can see. So a 60 amp. Again, nothing to sniff at. This is a full size, so 30.5 by 30.5, 4-in-1 ESC from HGLRC. Obviously, capacitor, and the rest of the cabling is in this bag. XC60 and wiring, everything you need, gummies. Right, so that's one part, and the other part is not only a flight controller, again, decals, an F7 flight controller. This is the F7 forward. I will include links to most, if not all, items in this giveaway. So this is also a DJI ready with USB-C. So a very modern F7 flight controller. Very, very nice. And a VTX. Up to 800 milliwatts, so not an entry VTX either. Again, for multi-rotors, it's obvious that these parts can be used on multi-rotors. If you are an airplane pilot, you will probably have no need for the 4-in-1 ESC, but the flight controller can be useful, the VTX can be useful, right? So again, that's prize number 1. Second prize is all of this over here. And am I going to be opening these packages? No, I'm gonna keep them closed. Yeah, so package number 1 over here is again an F7 flight controller, the Zeus. It's very similar to this one actually. I'm not completely sure what the differences are. Specs wise, almost the same. Also DJI ready. You also get, so this is still prize number 2, a GPS receiver that you can obviously hook up to this flight controller. And you get 4 LED strips, programmable LED strips. Obviously, this set over here can be used on multi-rotors, but definitely also for iNav, right? For airplanes, GPS, F7 flight controller, LEDs, why not, on your airplane. Very, very nice. So the third prize is going to be the same as this lot over here, and this one will be sent out by HGLRC themselves. So I don't have that here. I'll just be sending out your name and address if you win to HGLRC, and HGLRC will be sending out that third prize. Obviously, I need to thank HGLRC for making this giveaway possible. Very, very nice. And what more can I tell you? Yeah, again, you need to comment down below, and this giveaway will air at the 22nd. The 22nd of July 2020, right? And it'll run up to a week. Yeah, so until the 29th, 6 o'clock Central European time. Again, this video will air at the 22nd, 6 o'clock. So exactly 1 week. And that is it. Also, I should add, again, you don't need to do anything other than comment down below. But if this video gets a good number of views, and you can help that make that happen by, well, posting this video on your social media. If this video does well, there'll be, there's more of an incentive for me to do more giveaways like this, if you catch my drift. So that's it. I want to wish you the best of luck in this giveaway. So 3 opportunities to win. And tell me also in the comment section below what you think of this giveaway. Would you have preferred to see something else? Whatever you want to say in the comment section below, just as long as you comment. And again, good luck. Talk to you again in 1 week exactly. Bye bye.